Hello everyone. Welcome to the Comforting Zone. Today I will show you some cool gadgets you can buy online. All the product links are mentioned in the video description. Let's jump into the video. Today our first gadget is Blackout roller shades. Provide absolute privacy and additional energy saving. Ideal indoor window treatments for bedroom, living room, patio sliding door, media room, etc. Cordless style, safe for children and pets. RoHS is certificated and environmentally friendly. With Valance style increases a sense of advancement. High quality rechargeable motor can be used for 3 to 6 months once fully charged. Single channel remote available to meet simple timing requirements. Alexa and Google Assistant enabled via 2.4G Wi-Fi hub, achieve richer functions. More cost effective for customers to meet basic remote function needs.
Have you ever woken up freezing at night because you fell asleep with the fan on full blast? And try as you might, you were just too sleepy and it was just too far out of reach. So defeated, you went back to sleep and suffered through the long, cold night. Just when you need it most, a hero comes along like a dream come true. A remote control for your ceiling fan. Now you can easily turn any common ceiling fan into a remote-controlled ceiling fan. Simply attach each clearly designated wire from the remote control receiver to the fan and begin living your best nightlife. That's right, any ceiling fan can be turned into a remote-controlled ceiling fan, quick and easy. Be cool and sleep well, baby.
Our next gadget is Kitchen Faucet. A soft, modern take on Euro design with subtle detailing accents makes the ESA a smooth, sophisticated focal point for your kitchen. Easy to install with the mounting system. All but eliminates leaks with one-piece supply lines and diamond seal valve, featuring a diamond embedded ceramic disc, requires no lubrication and eliminates wear on seals. Delta faucets with diamond seal technology perform like new for life. They reduce leak points, are less hassle to install, and last twice as long as the industry standard. A powerful integrated magnet snaps your faucet spray wand precisely into place and holds it there. The wand stays docked when not in use and doesn't droop over time. Delta pull-down faucets swivel 360 degrees for added convenience during everyday kitchen tasks. While other products may gather unsightly mineral buildup, the soft rubber spray holes allow mineral residue to simply be wiped away for an instantly refreshed look. Next gadget is Outlet Shelf Wall Holder. The socket shelf with a 4.7 inches width and 5.3 inches depth extra shelf can free up floor and countertop space. The sleek modern design of the outlet shelf complements any room and wall. Ideal for storing cell phones, Google Home Mini, Sonos One, power tools, toothbrushes, and keys. The shelf can be installed in the bathroom, kitchen, dorm room, bedroom, garage, or any room. The shelf is designed with a hole to provide space for cables. Our next gadget is wall-mounted organizer. Turn that messy pile of brooms, mops and cleaning supplies into the most organized part of your house with one simple solution, the Berry Avenue Wall Mount Broom Holder. Almost everything in our houses has a very specific place to be stored, right? What about brooms and mops though? What's the best storage place for them? Is it in the bathroom, balcony, utility room, or laundry room, or where exactly are those large-sized cleaning supplies stored? Well, now with the 11-slot broom holder by Berry Avenue, any of your brooms, mops, cleaning sprays, and cloths can have their very own storage place in any room of your house you want them to. Next gadget is Eufy Security Doorbell. The view offered by ordinary cameras is just too limited to provide complete protection. With a low-angle camera, blind spots are eliminated, and your doorstep is in full view. The advanced PER and radar motion sensors are able to distinguish both near and far subjects and reduce 95% of false alarms. Get instantly notified when your package arrives with Delivery Guard. Plus, you'll receive pickup reminders and alerts if someone approaches your package. 2K HD surveillance ensures visitors can be identified from the details. And thanks to the high dynamic range, visitors who are backlit by the sun can be seen in perfect color and clarity. Next gadget is Smart Trash Can. TRX has descent control technology. Every opening and closing of the automatic lid are quiet and gentle, avoiding the noise and unsafety caused by a sudden descent, and can reduce the impact of wear and tear and extend the service life of the trash can. Its quadruple gradual noise cancelling allows the trash can to be automatically change the bag under a quiet environment. It uses a high-energy lithium battery, which means longer battery life, faster charging, and up to 50 days of standby time. The excess trash that exceeds the trash can also be freely loaded. Simply lift the knitting handle and press the sealing button to extend the length of the breakpoint-free garbage bag for overload sealing. Next gadget is Vanity Mirror. Perform your makeup routine before this Hollywood-style vanity mirror and enjoy a fantastic and healthy life. This makeup mirror has 18 large LED light bulbs with adjustable brightness, including warm yellow, daylight, and cool white, 3 different lights, allowing you to accomplish flawless makeup even at night. Boasting smart touch control and detachable design, this lighted makeup mirror provides superb flexibility and convenience when putting on tricky winged eyeliner or eyebrow lines. This Hollywood makeup mirror is durable and large enough to serve as the centerpiece of a desk, dresser, or vanity table in your bathroom or bedroom. Look no further than this makeup mirror to lend a touch of luxury to any interior decoration. Vanity Mirror equipped 2 Bluetooth speakers. You can answer phone or listen to music when doing makeup. Today our last gadget is Nanoleaf Lines. Enjoy using your light panels without lifting a finger. Pair your light board with Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant and enjoy hands-free voice control. You can voice control on or off and adjust brightness and effects. Convenient voice control makes life smarter for you and your family. The line lights can be synchronized with any music in the phone app. The light and color dance with the rhythm of the music. Turn your favorite songs or game special effects music into a symphony of flowing lights. You can install it on the TV background wall, or beside the game table, etc. The app has a variety of DIY scene effects to choose from, including 16 such as gradient, jump, flowing, rainbow, etc. You can set the changing mode of the light, choose the color, brightness, paragraph, speed, and set the number of light points according to the actual length of the light bars. Thanks for watching. You can buy these products using my links. All the product links are mentioned in the video description. Let's meet with a new video in next time.